All right, guys. Hope that everybody's having a great morning. We're going to try out this modern innovation, do a little test on it. It is pretty much up to temperature, pretty close. It's been on here for a few minutes. So we will test this out making some breakfast burritos. We will see how well it does. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to it. There's just a little bit left in the bottle anyway, so just to get rid of it. It's definitely up to temperature. Now that the sausage is cooking, it's starting to come off where it was sticking initially, but most of the time it does that anyway. But it's coming off and it looks good so far. Once we get it all cooked up, we'll be able to tell if if it did good at holding the seasoning or if it didn't or not. But it's not a very expensive pan. It's got a good polished surface. It'd be nice that if it did a good job. But it's all releasing really, really, really good. Get this browned up just a little bit more. That's coming together pretty good. Alright, now we're going to cheat a little bit. Going to add some potatoes to it, but I had some fries from yesterday evening. We were running around, so we just grabbed something Whataburger. So we're going to chop up all the fries that were left. Put those in there for a little bit of a filler. So we're going to have sausage, egg, and potato burritos. Let it sit for just a second. And we'll put a little bit of the good stuff on there. Not too much. Ah, that was quick. This potato is pretty much soaked up any of the little bit of oil, so I'm just going to put a little bit. Just so when I throw the eggs in, it really gets in there without trying to create a layer on the bottom. Alright, now let's go with the eggs. Set for just a second, stir it in just a touch. Alright, we'll let this set for just a second. Stick it on there just a little bit, but not bad. Once it cooks, it'll come right off of there. Turn the temp down just a little bit. Well, looking at it, it looks like everything did a good job. It came off decent. I don't see any of the seasoning that lifted off or anything. Once the eggs cooked, they released a little bit of sausage stuff there, but nothing major at all. One thing about this one, the sides on it's pretty up and down, so you get a lot more surface cooking area than you would with a pan this size that was more of a chef style. But for breakfast burritos, if you were making it for a few people, I would definitely go with the 12-inch of this one. I'm trying to stir this around without throwing any of it out. But, I mean, looking at it, it doesn't appear that it's pulled seasoning off, but we'll see after we get it totally done. So I'll cook this now, and then later, after I feed everybody, we'll take and clean it out and see what it looks like. Pull that there, pull that there. And we'll put on some of the good stuff. let that melt, and we'll be good to go. So guys, I'm going to cut it off here, and we will come back when I get it cleaned up. Alright guys, I want to show you what it looked like before I hit it with a Scotch-Brite. I bowled water in it, and it's smooth, but you could see places that the seasoning came off, and it's like some stuff's down in the texture. So I'm going to take and clean it up with a Scotch-Brite, but I know that's going to pretty much take off all the rest of the seasoning. But it's all good though, because we could just clean it up, and anybody could just keep on cooking on it, and it should turn black eventually. Alright guys, this is after getting it cleaned up and getting the stuff off of it. Back to bare iron. I was just going to take and re-season it, but I think I'm just going to go put this one in the lye tank, just strip it off totally. Then I'll do my seasoning on it and see if it sticks a little bit, because when I started cleaning on this thing, even with an old Scotch-Brite, the seasoning was coming off really easy. So maybe with some better seasoning it'd be better, but it's not a bad pan. You know, I don't know if I want to, recommend it, but for if you need something that's got a smooth bottom, you want to check out just a cheaper pan from Amazon. It's not a bad pan. So, all right, guys, y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.